Okay, the first thing I noticed is that you highlighted there's no lake at Camp Green Lake. You said this sentence is full of nouns, and the nouns are lake and then Camp Green Lake. This sets the setting for the story and where the book takes place. Um, then you talked about rattlesnakes and scorpions. You said those were nouns that paint a picture of the desert, and it's kind of a scary picture. And you talk about being bitten. Bitten is a verb in this sentence, and it expresses scary pests of the desert, which you talked about above with rattlesnakes and scorpions. I think that everything you highlighted kind of basically shows that this camp is not really a fun camp. And down here at the bottom, it says the reader is probably asking why would anyone go to Camp Green Lake, and it says that Camp Green Lake is a camp for bad boys. And um, based on everything you've highlighted, you can definitely tell it's not somewhere you would want to go. But you did a great job on your annotations.